Instructions on how to dock a half-sunken boat will be given this Tuesday morning at loading dock number 1. Due to reasons that are more than obvious, these maneuvers will not be open to the public. 60 pounds in a single body. The largest child they can consume at any one time will have to weigh less than 45 pounds.
Sit right here, just watch your head and stuff.
It looks way better in the papers, I promise. Much more cinematic. All right, guys, please keep your hands, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. That's where we want them. Watch out for small children. Keep an eye on them because, well, I'm barely qualified to be a skipper. I'm not qualified to be a father, right? And with that, we are clear to go, folks. Wave goodbye to the lovely people on the dock. Bye, everybody. You can wave goodbye to some of the not-so-lovely people, too. They know who they are. Bye. See you later. Cool frog. Welcome, everyone, to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Yay! Oh, this is going to be a good one. My name is Skipper Daxon, and I'm going to be your skipper today, your captain, your tour guide, your purveyor of adventure. You don't laugh at any of my jokes. I'm going to be your swimming instructor. Yeah. So guys, the first river on our tour is the Amazon rainforest, where on the left and right you'll see these giant butterflies. Now they're incredible. Their wingspans do range from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, we call them the rulers of the jungle. True monarchs, I tell you. Over here on the left is Inspiration Falls. Everybody say, ooh. Say, ah. Now, Inspiration Falls does inspire us to have to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. I don't know why you laughed at that. Come on, guys. That wasn't a joke. Now, who here, by a show of hands, has seen The Jungle Book? The Jungle Book? Awesome. Well, if you haven't, no worries. It's right there on the left. Yeah. So if you guys ever want to rent a boat of your own and think you do your own jungle cruise, we have a rental company up here. You can choose any paddle you want, from the triangular ones to the circular ones. It's really either or. Yeah, I want to hit you later. Over here is a giant python. Now you can tell that that's a python and not a boa because no feathers. Over here to the right is some monkey business. Now, that's not a pejorative term, folks. That's the name of their auto repair shop, Some Monkey Business. They can get any car to turn over. Yeah, that one's actually mine. Oh, they're doing a bang-up job. Folks, we're leaving the Congo River and entering the Nile. Now, the Nile River is 4,000 miles long. It's the world's longest river, and if you don't believe me, well, you're in the Nile. Yeah. Over here on the left and right are two African bull elephants. This one's name is Sherry. Hi, Sherry. Over here to the right is her distant cousin, Sauvignon Blanc. Some of the dogs got that too. Yeah, they both whine. Over here to the right is the Great African Belt. Now, the African Belt is home to some of the world's largest land animals, from giraffes to antelope to wildebeest. Up ahead is a pride of lions. Looks like they're sitting down for a nice afternoon refreshment. Looks like zebra on the rocks. Huh. Yeah, I know that joke's a little old-fashioned. So over here to the right is one of the world's greatest sounds in the jungle itself. This is our Jungle Cruise flautist, everybody. And I don't know what those hyena are laughing at. I always thought he had a great horn.
Oh, they're just gone. That's interesting.
joke's funny, everyone's just banned in high school. Alright guys, I would like to take this time to tell a couple of jokes for the psychics on board.
Very good.
Yeah, there's always a couple. Inclusivity is the fifth key. So up ahead is Schweitzer Falls. Now Schweitzer Falls is named after the founder of the Jungle Cruise, Dr. Albert Falls. Kind of neat, right? Now there's lots to talk about when considering Schweitzer Falls, but don't worry, we're going to go over it a little later. Now if we want to stop by my place for a little refreshment of our own, I do have some prepared over here. I live over here on the right. Yeah, that's my home. I know it's a little plain. But you know, I've got a really great deal on it. Half off. Yeah, I was really lucky to land that. And look, in my backyard, a dangerous pool and hippopotami. Oh, Lord, guys, keep your hands, feet, legs inside the boat. Make no sudden movement. Hippopotamuses can't see you if you don't move. Wait a minute, I was thinking of a T-Rex. We have to get out of here. Alright guys, watch your marbles. Oh, out of the frying pan and into the fire, am I right guys? Welcome to Headhunter territory. Ooh, keep your eyes peeled, folks. It'll save the natives tons of time and food prep. Now these tribesmen actually own the local cannibal cafe. They're always looking for new ways to serve you. Yeah, it's an expensive night though. It's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. Alright guys, if you do get hit with a spear, just yank it out and throw it back. We're not allowed to keep souvenirs. Whew, lucky to get out of there, right? Well folks, drum roll please. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water! There it was, to the end of the tour, yeah. Oh, she's wonderful, great with kids. Now everyone, we are entering the mysterious and dangerous jungles of Cambodia. Nestled on the Mekong River is the Temple of the Ancients, guarded by the temple goddess Shirley. We've taken to calling it Shirley's Temple. Alright folks, if Indiana Jones has taught me anything, it's that temples are tons of fun. Let's go in. I'm just kidding. We're doomed. By civilized man. As I look around the boat today, well, yeah, that makes sense. Showing us firsthand what it's like when you stay in the shower too long, am I right? 2 baby elephants playing underneath a full moon, that's pretty too. Alright folks, well I hope we all purchased flood insurance on our My Disney Experience app today. Oh boy. So who here hasn't showered in a couple days? Alright, we're gonna, alright, duck! Goose. Alright. Sorry about the fake out there, folks. Just a little dry humor for you there. Yeah. Yeah, you guys have been just spectacular today. Of all my cruises today, you guys have certainly been the third. Yeah, I came in at 3. Well, folks, our Jungle Cruise is coming to an unfortunate conclusion, but I would like to remind you, today's cruise has been brought to you by Animal Crackers, teaching kids of all ages that all animals taste the same. Delicious. Hint of vanilla. And folks, remember, if you do encounter a dangerous animal in the jungle, you don't have to be faster than it. You just have to be faster than the people you're traveling with. Yeah. Now, folks, I would like to take this time to point out some of my favorite plants in the jungle. Yeah, you know, that one up there, that's actually called a hibiscus. Yeah. That one over there, down low. Anybody guess what that is?
Lobiscus?
It's a fern, sir. It's a fern. Nice try, but it's a fern. And over there, to the left, well, that's none of your biscuits, okay? Just eyes forward. Look ahead, guys. Now, folks, remember, when you are on the Australian outback, always remember that kangaroos can't hop backwards. I know that doesn't help right now, but let's say you are traveling into Australia and your loved one, family member, mistress gets attacked by a giant kangaroo. You never know. You're instinctively gonna know to yell out, "Get behind him!" Take that one with you home, okay? Free souvenir from the Jungle Cruise, folks. Speaking of souvenirs, if you haven't entered our Jungle Cruise drawing, you definitely need to. You can put your name in down over there at the dock box. The winner gets a free case of malaria. Yeah. Bug spray kits. Very important. Now, folks, as we approach the dock, please keep all your hands, legs, feet, arms, any other appendages inside the boat at all times. Those crates in the middle. Okay? We don't want anything in there getting out. Not again. Definitely not this year. Oof. Well, guys, it's been real. It's been fun. I'm sure for some of you on board, it hasn't been real fun. But that's okay if you enjoyed your cruise today. My name has been Skipper Daxon. And if you haven't, well, my name is Mary Caitlin Ann. I work at the Tower of Terror. Thank you for dropping in. Yeah, mind your elbows, folks. You've been outstanding today. But now I need you out standing on the dock. Yeah. Get out of here, everybody. Come on, save me later.